Good evening, everyone. So, I, Hansa Parashar, has brought to you a new topic today. And the topic is how to know that you have a good life partner. So, friends, we all know that we all want to move ahead in life, we all want to advance in our lives, and there is always a time period in our life in which we would like to settle, in which we would like to have our own family, our kids, and this is how we plan our lives so that we can grow. Many a times this happens that in India also we are seeing that the divorce rates are rising at a very higher pace. They are rising at a very higher pace because of various reasons, and one of the reason is that we don't know what kind of life partner do we all have. The first thing is, life partner is the one who takes a stand for you, who protects you, and who is always by your side whenever you are facing some or the other problem. So, the first characteristic of having a good life partner is that that particular person, man or woman in your life, is the one who understands you, and whenever you are facing any kind of problem, any kind of quarrel or conflicts, whether it is internal conflict or those conflicts are related to something external, something situational, so they know you, they understand you, and they stand by you, they protect you, they try to solve all your problems irrespective of getting any biasness towards their family or everything. They are the ones who are very just to you, they are justified to you. Second is that the particular life partner that you are living with or you are having shares his or her secrets with you, considers you as his or her confidant. Because when you are marrying someone, or if you are in a relationship with someone, you try to open yourself up in front of that person, okay? And you also you want to have good trustworthy relationship with that person, because you are going to be with that person, or this is what you have planned, that you are going to be with that person for your entire life. Then you have to build a very good trust bond between each other, because if you are going to cheat on each other, if you are not going to tell about yourself to the other person will always be in some or the other kind of misconception or doubt about you. So in order to remove that misconception and in order to remove that doubt, that person should be the one who communicates with you his true feelings, his true emotions. And that's a very important characteristic of having a good life partner, that he shares his secrets with you, he shares his his internal angels and demons with you equally. He does not shy away from telling you anything, and he does not hide anything from you. He is everything in front of you in a very pure way, in a very straight way, in which there is nothing hidden or nothing controversial. Third thing is, the person spends time with you. So your life partner, if you think that you have a very good life partner, so one of the characteristics is that he or she wants to spend quality time with you. They share their precious time of their life with you, and they make you feel special, they make you feel important. At times when we give time to each other, we listen to each other, we are there for each other, then also there is strengthening of that particular relationship, and this particular relationship moves forward in a very smooth way. So friends, these were the few characteristics in which you can actually see that if you are having a good life partner. I'm sure that you all must be having good partners, you must be in good relationships. But yes, these are few of the characteristics which we must look into if you are going on for any kind of relationship. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.